In a second, you will enter our parents' workplaces. But first, we would like to give you some important information. All accidents can be prevented. Our #1 business goal is hygiene rules are also crucial as we serve the food and hygiene industry. So, please watch carefully. A Korozo employee who is in charge of your safety will accompany you. Please follow their guidance during your visit. Before entering production areas, make sure to wash your hands and use hand sanitizer. You must wear safety shoes, safety gown and hairnet in production areas. Don't worry, your Korozo guide will show you which equipment to use. Food and drinks other than water are not allowed in production areas. All these measures are for your safety as well as product safety. Use the pedestrian walkway on the premises. Follow traffic rules and pay attention to moving vehicles and equipment. Please follow all safety signs on site. In emergency situations, follow your guide's instructions. When you hear an evacuation alarm, do not panic. Follow emergency instructions and go to the assembly point. Smoking is only allowed in designated areas. Your guide will help you out on this. Taking photographs and filming is not allowed in our facilities. The use of mobile phones is forbidden in production areas. If you need to film, please inform your guide to get approval. Proper waste sorting is our utmost concern in order to protect our resources. We ask you to please dispose of your waste into designated waste bins. If you are to carry out an on-site activity, please talk to the Korozo employee who invited you about additional safety requirements and work permits. For more information, you can check the visitor's handbook you have received upon arrival. At Korozo, we embrace a behavior-based safety approach. We encourage everyone to be proactive and to provide feedback for the safety of all of us. Please let us know if you observe a situation or a behavior that can put you or Korozo employees at risk, or an improvement area during your visit. We hope you enjoy your day at Korozo.